Squad, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can tell from the title above, today I am doing 5 hidden features in the Apple Watch Series 7. So let's get right into it. I'm so excited to show you guys what I found. First hidden feature is the raise to talk to Siri. So you don't necessarily have to press a button on the side, but you could just raise your Apple Watch and speak to Siri directly. Let me show you how to do it. It is now much easier to use Siri with the new Apple Watch and the new iOS 15. All you have to do is raise your Apple Watch close to your mouth, and all you have to say is, "Hey Siri," just like this. "Hey Siri."
Go ahead.
"Hey Siri, what's the temperature today?"
The high for today will be -6 degrees, and the low will be -8.
Thank you, Siri. So much more easier than pressing the digital crown, which is another option. And Siri would come up just like that as well.
I'm not sure I understand.
It's okay, Siri. Bye-bye. The second hidden feature is how to unlock your iPhone while wearing a mask using your Apple Watch. So let me show you. Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys how to unlock your iPhone while wearing a mask using your Apple Watch. So you're going to switch to your iPhone, okay? So on your iPhone, this is my iPhone right here. You're going to go into settings, okay? Under settings, you're going to find Face ID and passcode. You're gonna press that. You're gonna enter your password, okay? After entering your password, it's gonna bring you here. You're gonna scroll down until you see Unlock with Apple Watch. Mine says here, Deborah's Apple Watch, and you're gonna press that there to turn it on. Use Deborah's Apple Watch to unlock iPhone if face isn't recognized. Exactly, that's exactly what we need. We're gonna turn it on. You're gonna give it some time to load. And perfect, so now it's matched. And I'm going to show you guys how that helps. So I'm going to turn off my iPhone right now. It's locked. So now I'm going to show you guys how to do this. I have a mask on, and look, automatically I placed it right beside each other. It says Deborah's iPhone XS Max unlocked by this Apple Watch. So you just have to have it close to each other. I have a mask on, and I used my Apple Watch to unlock it, just like that. And then if you want, you can actually lock it back up by pressing that as well. Easy peasy. Third hidden feature is how to sync your Apple Music to your Apple Watch without taking up too much space. Okay, so this is a great option to use your Apple Music offline. So syncing it to your Apple Watch so that you can listen to music offline without having to drain your battery or having to use what's it called, your Wi-Fi or your data. So what you want to do is you want to go to your the app on your iPhone, the Watch app, and what you want to do is find music. Okay, so you're going to press music right there, and right here it's going to show you what you have on your Apple Watch Music, right? So what I already did here, I added, you're gonna go to add music. You can pick a whole album or you could pick a song. I picked Kiss Me More, it's already there. You're gonna press add, and then what it's gonna do, it's gonna come up here, it's already there, and you see this cloud right here. You're gonna press that. That's basically to show you that it's gonna be downloaded, but the thing is, music can only be downloaded when the Apple Watch is connected to power or placed near your iPhone or when it's charging. So what it would do is it would just sync into your Apple Watch so that you can listen to it offline. So you definitely want to do that, and then you'll see it active on your Apple Watch, and it makes it so much easier. You don't need to use up your battery and Wi-Fi or data. You would just have it offline. The fourth hidden feature is how to enable Apple Pay on your Apple Watch. Okay, so to enable Apple Pay on your Apple Watch, you actually have to switch once again to your iPhone. You would go into the Watch app, and then you would go under Wallet and Apple Pay. Okay, so here you would add your card. I personally don't use Apple Pay. I used to, but then I just get so scared with like someone hacking my phone or hacking something, basically. Either way, but you would add your card here, and then it would mirror the iPhone. So basically it would show up onto your Apple Watch. So it would just be here. See, I have previous cards and whatever, you would just add it here, and then directly it would show up on your Apple Watch. And then on your Apple Watch, if you wanted to view it, you would go under settings. And then I was already near it, wallet and Apple Pay, and it would show up here, right? And then you can use your Apple Pay. As you guys know, Apple Pay, if you're near a checkout, you can just tap it and then automatically you can just pay that way. The fifth hidden feature is the theater mode. I've been loving this feature. It's absolutely amazing. Let me show you guys how to use it. Okay, so another really cool feature is the theater mode, and how to get there is from the bottom you're gonna scroll up, and then you have all these quick settings. It's these two faces right here. I love this option because what it does is it puts your phone into silent mode, and automatically it also doesn't allow your Apple Watch to light up, especially when you're in a movie theater. You don't want your Apple Watch lighting up. So you see right now it's off, and the only way to turn it back on would be by pressing the screen or pressing the digital crown. So this is really helpful, so that you don't necessarily have to go into your settings and change things, but automatically it just puts it into silent mode, and then the display would be closed. So right now you see, usually it would turn on by now because it's very sensitive to motion, but right now it's just dark because it's on theater mode. Okay, so if you press the screen, that's when it would turn on. Okay, so I love theater mode. It's really, really helpful. I use it a lot, especially if I am supposed to be in a meeting or a quiet area. And that's it for the hidden features. I hope that was a helpful video for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, DBRIGHT Squad.